Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to show you guys one of my little sauce products that I do when I go out to sell. I do 50 and I only do 50 of the mystery boxes. And these are the little small mystery boxes, and inside of it, it's about $40 worth of jewelry. And I ask $20 per mystery box. And the good thing about that is the mystery box, when you look at my table and all the jewelry is displayed, it gives you an idea about what could possibly be in one of these mystery boxes. Granted, not the chunky necklaces with the matching earrings or anything like that will be in here. It'll be more than likely like a bracelet, couple pair of earrings, or it may even be just earrings and then maybe some earrings in the bottle. It just depends. It could be 3 necklaces, the little necklaces with the small charm and the leather strap. It could be that. It just depends. It really depends. So this is what it looks like. And it's one of the box pillows. So I'll do these. And you can also get these in black. So this is what this looks like. And what I normally do is I just kind of put them all together, you know, with my label. I don't put the jewelry in the boxes before the event, because that would only means that I have to find somewhere or some way to store them. And I don't want to do all that. And it makes more sense to prevent the boxes from getting all crushed up and stuff too. So the day of the event, of course, you know, you got your setup time and all that kind of stuff. Putting the bags of jewelry inside of these boxes will be a part of my setup time. So with this one that I have, I'm going to show you what's in it. So it's a mystery box. And, well, Darlene, why do you charge $20 for it? I charge $20 for it because think about it. 20 is easy. 20 is a good number. It's easy, and plus, you don't have to give change back. So even if they bought 2, that's 2 20s. You don't have to give back change. If they buy 1, that's $20. You don't have to give back change. So that money goes from their hand to your hand, right? So inside this little box, I'm going to show you how I generally do it. And again, it's one of the box pillows. So when I take it out, you can see in this bag, there is 2 pair of earrings that would be $18 each, and then an earring in the bottle, which will be $5 each. So that's about $41 in value, right? Where on the outside, it tells you that it's a $40 value. So you actually got $41 worth of value in this little box. And the little basket is 20 at a time. And then that way, as they sell out, I just replenish. I'm gonna tell you guys a story. My auntie, who is now passed, used to sell C's candy in the sense of for her foundation. So when she would go to different events and stuff, and we would be there, we would be like, she ain't selling no candy, right? Come to find out, she was selling candy. She was selling a lot of candy. But what she would do is every time that number of candy bars would be sold, she would replace them. So anytime you look around and you look at her table, it looks like she's not selling anything. And I thought that was smart as heck. First of all, you can't count my money. Second of all, you can't count my money, right? Third of all, you can't count my money. And I thought that was like the smartest thing ever. And I was like, well, Auntie, it don't look like you sold nothing. She said, come here, baby. Let me tell you something. So then she told me what it is that she does. As they sell, she, you know, just kind of replenishes whatever's sold. And then that's how it works. And then that way it makes it look like. And I was just like, wow, that's like really, really something, okay? So any of the products that I use, like those glass bottles, any product, I will put the links in the comment, not the comment, but in the description area. And then that way you guys will be able to see, because I get a lot of questions asked, you know, where I get certain things from. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. If you're not a subscriber, you know, we'd like for you to join us. All you have to do is hit this, where the subscribe button at? Hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell, then click all. Then that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video, and you become a part of our little community, right? Okay. Oh, my subscribers, thank y'all. All right, gotta go. We'll talk later.